everyone, hope you all are doing good. So let's solve today's problem. So today's problem is about linked list of strings forms a palindrome. Now let's see how to solve this problem. So here you are given with a linked list which contains string data, and the problem has asked us to find if this forms a palindrome or not. If it forms a palindrome, then simply return true or else return a false. In this case, as you can see that this linked list forms a palindrome, so the output is true. Now let's see what is a palindrome. Suppose you have a string called mom. Now reverse this string. What you will get? Mom, you are getting back your string after reversing your actual string, isn't it? This was your string. You reversed this string and got this as your and got your string back after reversing it. So whenever you are reversing the string and you are ultimately getting your actual string, then that is called a palindrome. Now tell me whether this is a palindrome or not. How to check if it is a palindrome or not? Simply reverse it. If you reverse it, you will get your string back. You are getting this string back, isn't it? So I can say that since these two strings are same after reversing it, so I can say that this is a palindrome. Now tell me whether this is a palindrome or not. Reverse this, you will get T A C. But here you can see that this string, and after reversing this string, you are getting a different string. So if two strings are different, then that means it is not a palindrome. When after reversing the string, you are getting your actual string, that is a palindrome, or else it is not a palindrome. Now let's move to the logic of the code. So this is my linked list. Now think of the easiest solution. What I'll do, I'll take an empty string called str. I'll take an empty string. Now I will traverse this whole linked list. While traversing, what I'll do, I'll pick up the values of each node and simply concatenate with this string. Okay, let's do this at first. So here in this, my head is pointing to this node. So what is the value here? It is a. Simply concatenate to your string. Now move to the next node. That is here. Your head will get updated to 200. So now your head is pointing to this node. What is the value here? It is BC. Simply concatenate to this string. Move to the next node. What is the address of this node now? 300. So move your head pointer to this node. Now your head is pointing to 300. What is the value here in this node? It is D. Concatenate. Move to the next node. While moving, update your node address. What is the value? DCB. Simply concatenate to the string. Okay. Move to the next node. Before that, update it. What is the value here? It is A. Concatenate to the string. Move to the next node. That is null. It is null. So now head will get updated to 0. That is null. Since my head is now pointing to null, so the traversal ends here. So this is what you are getting as your string. Now what we were doing here, we were reversing the string. So I'll do the same thing here. Simply reverse the string. That is, if you reverse the string, what you will get? A, B, C, D, D, C, B, A. This is what you will get. So is this string and is this string matching? Yes, it is matching. So if it is matching, then simply return true. That means it is a palindrome. So this was all about logic. Now let's implement the code. What we were doing, at first we took an empty string so that we can concatenate the data string str1. Okay, we have taken an empty string. Now what? Now traverse the whole linked list. We traverse the whole linked list until and unless what will be the condition? Until and unless my head is pointing to null, I'll traverse the linked list, and while traversing I picked up the string data and simply concatenate it with the string. Okay, we'll do the same thing here. While head is not pointing to null, I'll traverse the linked list and I'll simply concatenate the data to my string. Now, after that, move to the next node. Okay, so this is done. Now what? Now let's take another string and store the original string. Okay, now reverse this string. After that, compare both the strings. It will return true or false according to the comparison. Okay. So here, since the strings are not matching, since the reversal of this string is not matching, so the output is coming to be false. Now let's submit. Fine. So I think we can end the video here. Do subscribe the channel to get similar content, as gaining a subscriber and like in my videos does motivates me a lot to be consistent and create more such content. So do subscribe, like and share it with your friends. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys